Wisconsin 2016 tractor drive. We're about an hour late due to a massive rain delay. Everybody's soaked, but I think they're still going to be smiling.
Especially the cab guys.
Yeah, the cab guys are loving it, right? Yeah. Rain or shine, away they go. They're going to move today. They said 15 miles an hour, get out there and hit the gas. Tractor drive, and the first time that we've had massive rain like this. We've been so lucky.
Lots of farm alls.
Yeah, lots of red ones. The green ones are coming later.
Bellevue, Iowa. Wow, that's...
Yeah, we've got Princeton, Illinois, too.
Preston, Iowa.
Tough. Yeah. They can handle it.
Well, I saw you staying dry enough.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Nice 3010. Super MTA. 550. Another Super MTA. There's like 30. Hey, oh my gosh. Yeah, Jordy's all set.
a little help here.
Yeah. Quite a rig there.
Yeah. They don't care. At least it's not 100 degrees like it was.
Right.
Great little truck. They're ready too.
Yeah.
Wow. It's the wedding party. They're having a wedding in Mount Hope. It's bachelor party on the way out and honeymoon on the way back.
Seriously, there's a wedding in Mount Hope?
It's all for fun.
Oh.
Spicing it up a bit.
People have done things like that, though.
I know, crazy. There's an empty wagon. Oh, I think they're picking people up on the way. That's why that's empty.
Oh.
Here they are. We're just all glad to be out of that shed. Here's a big one.
Oh my.
What is that?
It's huge.
I can see that. Bigger than we are.
I think that's somewhere around 300 horse.
We'll hear it coming.
It's 1850.
Yeah, beautiful.
Deutz.
Don't mess with that.
It's like about one of the last ones that Alice made. They made in Racine.
I think they're ready for a party. Okay, here come your green ones.
Yeah.
A whole big string of them. Ready for the day?
Yeah, he's ready.
And bringing up the rear, we have committee chairs, Big Al. Oh, got a few more coming. Who's this madman?
I don't know. That is an antique.
Oh my God!
Oh my
It's
God.
Dale Vogel. Hold on.
99. Wow.
No grass is going to grow under his feet. Tractor tires
And Doug
today.
Morris.
Yeah. And the cleanup crew. And one didn't go.